Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best gutter cleaning tools. Here are the top 3 gutter cleaning tools that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Amerimax Home Products 8300 Getter Gutter Scoop. It is a patented, ergonomic gutter scoop that will make your job easier. Its handle and scoop are made of durable rubber with an aluminum shaft for easy gripping and durability. This scoop is designed to be lightweight so you can easily lift them up or down the length of your gutters while still being strong enough to hold up against heavy weight. This scoop is also designed to fit on standard-size gutters, which makes it perfect for any home. It's made from aluminum with an epoxy coating for increased durability. At number 2. The Gutter Tool Gutter Cleaning Spoon and Scoop. It is a long-handled, double-ended scoop and spoon that makes it easy to clean your gutters. It's made of high-quality stainless steel for durability and can be used with either end. One side has a round scoop at the end, while the other has an angled head to get into tight corners. It has a long handle with an easy grip for reaching into the gutters, and it scoops out debris from leaves to pine needles. The gutter tool can be used as both a scoop and brush, which makes it perfect for clearing away any obstruction in your rain gutters. This tool also includes a free storage bag that you can use to keep your gutter tool clean when not in use. At number 1. Orbit Telescoping Gutter Cleaning Wand. It is a telescoping gutter cleaning wand that extends from 15 inches to 36 inches. It has an ergonomic handle and a low-profile head with 2 brushes, one for the inside of the gutter and one for the outside. This product is designed to make it easier for homeowners who have trouble reaching or bending over to clean their gutters. It's made from high-quality aluminum and has a 2-sided brush head for cleaning on both sides of the gutter. It also includes a scraper blade, which helps loosen debris so it doesn't clog your gutters. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.